Hey lads, TechScanning here. So compared to the smartwatches, smart rings are quite less popular and some of us may not even know there are already smart rings in the market. And that's because the big brands like Samsung, Apple and Xiaomi have not entered into this niche yet. However, most likely it will become a more common topic soon as one of the tech giant, Samsung, is reportedly working on its first smart ring. So around a couple of months ago, a report claimed that Samsung has begun the development of Galaxy Ring, which is rumored to use a circuit board made in Japan. Now, as per a recent report, the development phase is almost done, which suggests Samsung may be gearing up for the next step, and that will be the mass production. Though there is no official word on the Samsung Galaxy Smart Ring, however, a media outlet from Samsung's home ground has shared some information on the Galaxy Ring features, and according to them, the ring will feature PPG and ECG sensors to track heart activity and different health metrics like the Galaxy watches, and then presents the results on the connected phone. But the most surprising part that the Galaxy Ring is set to offer even more accurate metrics than the Galaxy watches, and that's probably because the ring covers the fingers from all sides and tightly compared to the smartwatch. However, here Samsung need to take care of some challenges like an overly tight ring can affect the blood flow and so the results. So we hope Samsung will put a special focus on such design challenges. Moving next, Samsung has already trademarked several names with the description of smart rings in the documents, and some of these names include Galaxy Ring, Galaxy Feel, Galaxy Circle and most recently Galaxy Curio. I think the most logical name for the Samsung first smart ring would be the Galaxy Ring, which is also self-explanatory. Anyway, despite the different reports suggesting the Samsung Galaxy Ring is in the final stages, however, we are unlikely to see it before the 2024. So what is your opinion on the Samsung Galaxy Ring? And do you think Samsung is really gonna launch the smart ring as it can also affect their smartwatch business? Drop your thoughts below in the comment section and please do consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.